The fascinating life of skipper butterflies, from caterpillar to darting flyer. Skippers family Hesperidae are a unique group of butterflies, often mistaken for moths due to their stout bodies, rapid flight, and moth-like antennae. With over 3,500 species worldwide, they occupy diverse habitats, from grasslands to wetlands, and exhibit intriguing behaviors throughout their life cycle. Below is an in-depth exploration of their biology, ecology, and conservation challenges. Physical characteristics. A blend of butterfly and moth trait. Skippers are distinguishable by their stocky bodies and large eyes, adapted for fast, darting flight. 19. Hooked antennae. Unlike the club tips of most butterflies. 1. Wings held upright or spread out at rest, unlike moths, which fold them flat. 9. Drab or orange-brown coloration, with some species sporting black bands scent scales on males' forewings. 37. Their wingspan ranges from 1 to 3 cm, with exceptions like the giant skipper's megathymene, which reach 9 cm. 9. Life cycle. From egg to adult. 1. Egg stage. Females lay tiny one hemispherical eggs singly or in clusters on host plants like grasses, poaceae, or legumes. 511. The eggs hatch in 4–5 days, revealing larvae that immediately begin constructing silk-bound leaf shelters. 5.2. Larval caterpillar stage. Skipper caterpillars are green, cigar-shaped, with a distinct neck constriction and a large black head. 57. They exhibit unique behaviors. Silk leaf nests. They roll or tie leaves into shelters to hide from predators. 511. Anal comb. A fan-shaped structure flings fecal pellets up to 38 body lengths away to avoid detection. 7. Larvae feed primarily on grasses, for example Bermuda grass or legumes, with some species considered agricultural pests. 511. 3. Pupal stage. A pupation occurs in a thin silk cocoon, often coated with a white powdery substance to repel moisture. 7. Unlike many butterflies, skippers do not migrate and overwinter as pupae in colder climates. 7.4. Adult stagidults emerge in spring or summer, feeding on nectar from clover, thistles, and milkweed. 11. Males perch or patrol to find mates, using pheromones from their forewing. Brands. 37. Their rapid, erratic flight up to 30 km per hour earns them the name skippers. 9. Habitat and distribution. Skipper thrive in open grasslands, meadows, and wetlands, for example fiery skippers in lawns. 11. Specialized niches. The marten skipper relies on damp meadows in the Pacific Northwest. 3. Global range. Most diverse in the neotropics, but species like the silver-spotted skipper inhabit North American woodlands. 17. Habitat loss. Threatened species like the marten skipper, whose coastal meadows are degraded by grazing and urbanization. 3. Conservation. Habitat fragmentation, urbanization, and agriculture reduce native grasslands. 3. Climate change. Alters flowering times and host plant availability. 3. Invasive species. Non-native grasses outcompete larval food plants. 5. Conservation efforts include fencing critical habitats, for example Cascade Siskiyou National Monument, to prevent cattle grazing. 3. Restoring native grasses and wetlands. 3. Ecological and human significant sepulsion. Adults visit flowers, aiding plant reproduction. 11. Pest status. Some larvae damage turfgrass, but most species are harmless. 5. Scientific value. Their intermediate moth-butterfly traits make them key to studying Lepidoptera evolution. 19. Conclusion. Skippers are remarkable for their unique adaptations from silk-spinning caterpillars to lightning-fast adults. While some species face decline, conservation efforts offer hope for their survival. Their ecological roles and evolutionary significance underscore the importance of protecting these often overlooked butterflies.